PUR 4100 assignment, Content Marketing. Content marketing is an opportunity for you to be creative and to tell a story. You can create content that is shared over social media that can attract the interest of consumers, journalists, and organizations by providing them with information, not advertising, but information that they find valuable. So how do we do this? There are a number of different ways. One of them is called branded journalism, or a trend also known as native advertisements. These native advertisements appear next to news articles on news websites, and they provide good information without promoting the company. You can find examples of native ads at these links. You can also see guest blogs or posts or articles. You can also see guest blog posts and articles that appear in publications and on websites. They again provide information and are written from the point of view of an individual who has expertise. Last, you can find videos that tell stories. Again, in this case, they were produced by Tastemade and presented by LL Bean. I suggest that you watch all three. They're very interesting stories, and you'll notice that the emphasis on them being stories. For your assignment, you may be more interested in doing an infographic, and you may have seen one on the web. We're going to look at examples of them shortly. You can click on these. Click here to find examples of what infographics look like and why people enjoy seeing them. You can also find resources for how to create. You can find online resources for creating. You can find online resources for creating infographics at these two links. Piktochart is one of the most popular ones that students have used in past semesters. It's easy to set up accounts. You have a number of templates to choose from and a number of other options. I would say use the free account. There's really no need to have a paid one unless you plan on producing infographics on a regular basis. So, the assignment. You're going to pick a client. It could be a business or a nonprofit or some other organization, and you're the PR person. You're going to create a piece of content. It could be a blog post, an article, an infographic, or a video that would then be shared on social media or could be placed on an editorial site. What can you make? First of all, you could do an infographic. You would have a minimum of 12 elements with graphics. Second, you could create a native ad, and by that it means an article, not an advertisement, of 500 to 600 words. Lastly, you can create a video of 60 to 120 seconds that would be posted online. If you choose this last option, you don't have to make it fancy. We're not looking here to be doing. The video can be basic. It doesn't have to have the advanced graphics or editing that would be expected in one of your TV or other broadcast courses. The deadline for the first draft is March 5th for those in the online section and March 8th for those in the in-person section with one revision. Label the file with your name and the format, such as Carlos Infographic, and email it to me. In the subject line, be sure to put your name and the format. As we do with most other assignments, you'll have it edited and you'll revise that assignment and you'll email by the deadline for final grading. If you're doing a blog post, again, it will be marked Edit 1 and you'll revise the release Edit 2. If you have any questions, please email me, and reminders, schedule an editing session before spring break.